What's up, everybody? It's CNI Fishing, and today we're going to be reviewing a bass mystery box. They make mystery boxes for crappie, carp, any panfish, like bluegill, brim, anything like that, like sunfish, green sunfish. They make it for catfish, but today I got the cheap bass one. I'm going to be reviewing it today. This one should have about $25 worth of value in it, and I opened it before I started doing this because I wanted to see if it was actually worth something, and it was. So I'm going to open it and show y'all. But as y'all see, I got this from Academy, but you can get them at Walmart, any like sports center. And here's the box that's inside of this. I'm going to open it for y'all. That's what it looks like on the inside. Has like a fish measure on it. And when we first opened it, we have a little crankbait. It's nice and purple, and it is made by Jinko Fishing. It's pretty neat, actually. It's nice and shiny. It ain't too big, it ain't too small, and the lip is a square bill, so it likes to dive not too deep, but it does the job. But I'm making another video of me testing these in a pond to see if they're actually good. So here's this one. Put it right here. And I will put a link in the description for one of these boxes from Wally World, Walmart. Next thing we got the Lake 4 trophy lures. They're called Lure with Attitude. That's not what they're called, but that's what it says on the package. What was that? Oh, squirrel. Down here is garlic and salt impregnated. It's like a Cinco, not a Cinco. A bug. June bug, yeah. Sorry, I keep getting off track. I'm trying to read this stuff because I ain't read them. So that's what these look like. And like I said before, I'm going to make a review on one of these, like test them in the water. So we got that one. Next we got, it's a jig head. It's a black and purple sparkle jig head. And it is a 3/8 ounce. See, it says it right there, 3/8 ounce. It says all-purpose sparkle jig head and mustard ultra point. It's made by Phoenix. On the back, yeah, it says Phoenix bait 3/8 ounce all-purpose jig, brushless. So with these little hairs right here, you gotta trim them down, make it work better. And we got some all-purpose worms, plastic worms. They go with this Phoenix jig head. So they're purple with that like muddy purple goldish tint to it. To the bottom of them, if you can't really tell, it is purplish. This is a proven success, pro-designed, pro-series Zona lures, and it says BMP Fishing. It's a deception worm, so it's basically, it impersonates a worm. And the last thing we got is these hooks. These are 3/0, 4/0, 2-pack of hooks. These are EWG standard gauge. Don't really say it don't say the type of hook it is. I reckon EWG standard gauge. I reckon that's the name of them, but they like this weird design. See, to come down, had that little swiggle and a hook at the bottom. And we got a tackle Bible on the back of it. This is what it looks like. And Oh, that's cool. They're like little fishing tips. If you flip it through, like little fishing tips. That's cool. That's neat. Okay, and I got a little sticker. It's cool. It says Catch Co. And I got this. So you can scan this and you can go to the website and order one. So this will help out a lot. And this is what the whole box looks like, empty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything back, but I'm gonna do a back and front review again and show you everything I got, just in case y'all skip through. You know, some of y'all be crazy. So I got a book, got a sticker, got this crankbait. It's cool. That's what the back says on it. Y'all can just pause and read the back. We got these EWG standard gauge hooks. That's what the back of them looks like. If I can grab this one. Oh, if y'all seen that on my arm, don't worry about me. Me and my little brother was playing. And got these impersonating worms, these plastic baits. They're purple, and that's what the back of them looks like. It's just like the front. We got this all-purpose sparkle jig that goes with them fake worms. It's just nice, pretty. People, or the only people, like people that I'm friends with, they only use jigs when they're at a river. But I got these June bugs. It says garlic and salt impregnated, so they're real sour. Fish love those. And they look like little crawfish, but worms with them. And if you want to see them work, that's the back of it, and that's what it says it looks like right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm going to have to get another one of these and do another review if y'all want me to. And there's the box. This is what the back of it looks like. Nice and cool. It says Bass Fishing Kit, a fun and affordable way to discover new fishing products. That's neat. But I'm gonna have to do another one of these mystery boxes with, if y'all didn't know, is on my channel. His name is Certified Redneck. He's a real good friend of mine, and he likes fishing too. And he's in a couple of my videos actually that I made with him on Will Skinning Pike. And I try to put his channel in my description, but something going on my YouTube. I gotta fix it, but I handle it. Don't worry about it. Just leave me comments about what y'all want me to do next. But there will be another fishing review coming up. If I can fix this. Oh, I am struggling. But just let me know what y'all want to see, and I will get back with y'all if I can. So, see you now, fishing out. Talk to y'all later. Deuces.